Right, so my alternator on the 5 litre has seized, and when it did so on the way to work, it snapped my belt and I overheated on the way to work. So we're going to be pulling this alternator out and replacing it with another one. So to get to the alternator, we're just going to start taking bits off that are in the way, such as this whole airbox. Alright, so now all the airbox stuff is out of the way, we can start getting at that alternator. And like, that is completely... nah. Yeah, that's what caused the belt to snap, because it seized. Alright, let's get this junk out. Alright, the alternator is finally out. So we get another working alternator and put this one in. Then we've got the gilmer pulley back on. Now we've got the alternator back in. All we have to do is just wait for a belt and then we can get it going. Everything's plugged in back there. So we've finally got a replacement belt. Now to put it on, we have to take off our power steering belt just by undoing these bolts here. So you undo this one and these ones here. So we had to loosen the alternator to get the new belt on. We've got the other one undone. Now we're just doing everything up and putting it back together. Now we have both belts back on, we can put the air box back in. Got the fully hectic pod filter installed. Just kidding, pod filters are a joke.
I'll get them when we're ready. Go.
No, I'll be on my phone.
No.
Now we're going to fill her up with some water.